What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the white wolf from Marvel. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the eyes. We're going to start with a curve in the center, starting from the left, bend this up and then down. Now on the side, we want to draw the brow. We're going to bend this up and then out towards the outside of the eyes. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath. From the outside, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming down and then up on that inside point. Let's go to the inside of the eyes, draw a trim, coming down and in towards the middle. And we'll curve the bottom, step up and draw it again. Let's go to the inside of the eyes, draw a straight line going up. Now from here we're going to work our way up towards the top of the ears. We're going to bend this up and then out. Let's go up and then bend that out towards the tip of the ears. For the tip of the ears, draw a straight angle line coming down and in on top of the head. And then we'll layer the head on top of the ears. We're going to step over, curve this up in the middle, and then back down on the right. Let's add that detail in the middle. We're going to leave a gap in the center, draw two lines. One on the left, and then one on the right. And then curve the bottom coming in towards a point. Let's go back to the inside of the eyes. We're going to enhance the brow, coming in and then up. Bend this up and then out towards the side. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the bottom half of the head. Let's start with the left. We're going to come down, go across the chin, and bend that back up towards the right side. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the head, going around, up, and then in behind the side of the ears. And we'll draw the back side of the ears, coming down on top of the head. Now going back to the outside of the brow, we're going to draw a trim going up and then in. Let's go back to the inside of the eyes, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Bend this out and then up towards the outside of the eyes. Now from this point, we're just going to angle this down and then in towards the chin. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in that large fur collar. We'll start right in the middle, start with a point, bend this out and then up toward the left and right side. In the center, add a curve, coming down and up. And then in the middle, we're going to add a point, coming down and then up. Let's move out to the side, we're just going to bend this in and then back up. Now in behind each of those points, you're going to add a curve. Let's go back down towards that bottom point, draw the collar going out and then up towards the left, and then right side. Now I just want to layer the fur going around the side of the head. So we're going to step back, around, and then up. Let's do that one more time, curving this in and then up underneath the head. Let's move back in, draw the side of the body, going out and then down towards the hips. From the hips, angle this down and in towards the center point. Let's draw a straight line coming down the middle. Let's add a thick stripe across the bottom, just follow that same angled line. I'm going to leave a large gap and draw that again, coming in the two lines, and then going up towards the right. Let's go back to that center point. We're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we want to curve the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's round out the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, angle this up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg. We're going to go out and then down on top of the feet. Let's separate the foot with a curve from the top, bend this out and then down. Let's move up from the top of the foot, add a curve to the edge of the boot. And we're going to add a small detail across the top of the leg. Starting from the hip, that is down and in, step down and draw that again. Now we're going to go to the top of the body, step down, bend the arms, going out and then down towards the wrist. Let's go back to the side. We're drawing the thumb, bend this in and then down towards the claw. Now I want to curve this up, around, and then down towards the first finger. Let's bend this back up and then in. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind. So we're going to step down, go up and then in. And then the third finger, we're going to blend into the arm, going up and then in underneath the collar. Now along the inside, we're going to see that second finger point coming in and then back up. From the top of the thumb, let's step up, curve the glove going up and then out, step up and draw it again. Now over on the right side, we're going to have this hand in a fist with a shield on top of the arm. So let's start with the thumb with a half circle, close off the end with a bracket. From the bottom of the thumb, draw the first finger coming down and up around that bracket, step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're just going to pull this up to right about there. Now from that center finger, we're going to step up, start with a point, let's draw a straight angle line going up towards the top. Now from the bottom, just going to angle this up and out across the bottom of the shield. From the top, coming down and then out. And we'll close off the ends with a straight line. Now I'm going to close off the hand, bend the arm coming back up and then in underneath the collar. Let's add that same trim along the inside going in behind the shield. Let's add a little detail to the shield with these points across the top and bottom. And then along the top of the arm on the right side, we're going to add a series of curves for these stripes. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the white wolf from Marvel. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.